Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chat. Action required. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. Now if you want to fix your Google Chat action required, what you need to do is simply open up the Locate Google app. Once you're here, open it up. From here you can also just simply go home and open up the Google Chat directly and make sure that it is updated. If not, what you need to simply search on the Play Store and you can update it. Once that is done, go to the home page. After finding up the app, what you can do is clear up its cache memory. To clear up the cache memory, open up the mobile settings, go in the apps, a sub menu will appear. Now tap on manage apps. In the manage apps at the very top, go in the search bar and search for Google Chat. Tap on it. Go in the storage and tap at the bottom is the clear data. Tap on cache memory and just refresh it. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.